say bye to your boyfriend.
He's not my boyfriend. We were officially engaged in the fall. I'm thinking a spring wedding.
I want to see my little boy.
Here he comes.
I want to see my little boy.
His name's Little King Trashmouth. He's gay.
He's gay.
Yeah, he's got a boyfriend. They just got married.
You get the best of both worlds. Chill it out, take it slow. When you rock out the show, you get the best of both worlds. Mix it all together, and you know that's the best of both worlds.
But it sounds like I'd have been in trouble without you. So thank you.
Also, less importantly, who are you?
Hey, you in a band?
No. I am the principal of a school.
Yeah? This is cool. That's cool.
Yes, it is. It's very cool.
Yeah.
Yes,
It is cool.
It is very cool.
I like that.
Do you? Yes.
Yeah, you're hot. You're so hot.
What?
Huh?
I'm sorry.
What?
Are you warm?
Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me?
Clomp, 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 clomp. It's me, bitch.
Where the heck are we? You got us lost, you loser!
They haven't seen each other because of the night shift. They just need a bone.
What? Gross! Rosa, those are our dads! I mean, that's not what I think. Captain Dad is just my boss.
Why?
Whatever, Rosa.
Show of hands, who the fuck knows what department they work in? I'm the 10th.
Sure, she knows how much you love her. It's just like when Riku disappeared. He thought he had to push me away to protect me.
Zach, that's gay. Jared, we've been dating.
You always believe that everything is going to work out. How do you do it?
Well, I'll tell you my secret, sir.
I lie to myself. Every morning when I wake up, I say everything's gonna be okay, but I'm lying. And I don't know how much longer I can do it.
Have a swell night, sir.
Because I learned something when I had my body back at Coral. I learned that life is really messy, complicated, and that it doesn't turn out the way that you think it will. And that you think killing people might make them like you, but it doesn't. It just makes people dead. And I say to myself, maybe with Coral things would be okay. Is okay good? Coral! Okay is wonderful.
We'll see the universe and dance on seven's rings. Heaven isn't too far. Heaven is where you are. Stay with me and let me be your
Ooh, let me out! Let me out! Let me out! This is not a dance! I'm begging for help! I'm screaming for help! Please come let me out!
Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
The boys are back! The boys are back! The boys are back, gonna do it again. Gonna wake up the neighborhood. The boys are back! The boys are back! Climbing up the walls anytime we want. The word is out, the boys are back!
She blinded me with silence!
Ven looks just like Roxas. Or is it Roxas looks just like Ven?